Morning, NAVFAC Pacific. John Adamez with another edition of Plumb Lines. Recently returned from training at Capstone Training, where they send all new flag officers to learn about joint warfighting and strategic thinking and learning to fight as a combined and joint force. Great experience, had the opportunity to travel across the Pacific, and it's so good to be back home in the United States. We recently had a change of CNO. Admiral Gilday has taken over as our 32nd Chief of Naval Operations. Don't expect a huge change in direction. Continuing on what we're doing, there'll probably be some changes, but certainly an outstanding officer who brings great experience and leadership to our Navy. I wanted to talk a little bit about strategic design. We have these 32 or 35 initiatives that we're doing. Great progress on those. And I also wanted to mention, this isn't just the folks that are participating on the work groups and the teams, but everybody from apprentice to senior civil servant, military, everybody's involved in our strategic design, and I really appreciate everybody contributing as we move NAVFAC forward. Really pleased with the effort, and just wanted to thank everyone for that so far. We're closing on fiscal year 19 execution, and we've made great strides. And our Navy continues to challenge us to perform, to plan, to do what we say we're going to do. In fiscal year 20, as we plan for our 20 execution, we aim to get even better. We want a say-do ratio of 1-to-1. That is, if we commit to something, we want to do it. We want to be known as an acquisition syscom who delivers technical solutions and acquisition solutions whenever our nation and our Navy needs. And we've made great progress, and we have to keep going. Again, I want to thank you for all the hard work on that. Also want to thank you for what you've done in the folks that have contributed to input and those that have acted upon the action items that we've taken on to help improve our command through our Defense Equal Opportunity Climate Survey. We do this annually or when there's a change of command, and your input makes a difference. So one, I want to thank you for your input, which is valued, and two, for all the folks that have taken action on that. We've done some great things in terms of communication and other areas around the command, and this is all about continuing to make NAVFAC a great place to work. So thank you for that. And lastly, I just like to bid a fond farewell for our business director, Dr. Ron Hertwig. Ron's leaving us after decades of government service, both in the military and as a civil servant patriot. Ron, we wish you fair winds following seas. Mahalo for your service. NAVFAC, that's all I have for today. Again, my pleasure and honor to be back with you from Capstone. My pleasure and honor to serve with you. Thank you so much for what you do and who you are. Hoorah.